This is next. Good old sunflower. We finna put that in one of these pots for now. This one got a root already growing at the bottom of it. Where's that root? There we go. Where's that root? There you go. You see the root? Root growing out of it? Right there. So it's already, it ain't ready, but we finna get it out of here because it doesn't hold water long. And we have to water it every day, and we're not trying to water it every day. So in order to save us from watering every day, we put it in a bigger pot for now. Let it take its time growing in the big pot. And y'all know with sunflowers, they grow pretty quick and wild, so it ain't gonna take no time to grow up in that 1 gallon. So we're getting the dirt ready for that now. And then whenever she's ready, we can go ahead and get this bad baby in there. This is gonna be the next one. This is one of the kids on. I don't know which one, but it's one of the kids on. They both got sunflower seeds, or they got sunflowers.
I think I'll do it like that and sit in and pour dirt around it.
Yeah, that's whichever way you want to do it. Alright, you getting that ready. You see she working the actual dirt pot with all the root out the actual pot, so it's easy to transplant. And we did have a little accident, so the dirt probably loose. It don't matter if you lose dirt. You're gonna lose some dirt if it's not all the way root bound. That's fine. As long as you got that root intact, you don't pull the root or rip the root, you're good. And again, sunflowers, those are one of those plants that they forgiven. See, look at that. We just planted this, like what, not even 2 weeks ago. Like, this is from seed, y'all. This is not from the store. We bought seeds too, but these sunflowers are from seeds. You see how much root they got. Let me see the root again. Yeah, let's show them that root so they see how quick some of these plants grow. Yeah, you see all that. You see the root. See how it's growing all the way around the pot. That's how you know your plant is getting root bound. You see all the new roots trying to find places to go. This is how you know it's root bound. When you got roots growing on top of each other, growing through each other, and it's trying to find that new dirt. And you ain't got no new dirt. So we finna put this in the 1 gallon. It's gonna do the same thing. It's probably gonna take not even a month to fill up. Like I say, sunflowers definitely in this sun. I mean, it's called a sunflower, so the most sun is better for it. So you know they're gonna take off down here. So we'll put some dirt in here. Again, this is Sunday, April 19th. We're getting this ready. You see that one down there, it couldn't hang, unfortunately. And then this one started thriving. Took up the space that would take down. This one may still have a chance. We'll see. We'll see. But as for right now, this one's standing in the paint. So again, this is one of the kids' sunflower. They want to do sunflowers and mint and some other things. Right now, the sunflowers was growing. The other stuff didn't really take. Remember, you can shake it up so that dirt can fit in all them spots. But the rain gonna do it for you anyway, so you don't necessarily have to do that. Now, there may be some points where you may have to add more dirt once you first transplant it because you still got air pockets. But this is fine right now. We'll just let the rain get that. All right, y'all. This is the sunflower. This is how you transplant this. We just transplanted this. I think this is a half-gallon pot. It's either half-gallon or 1 gallon pot. We're gonna check back within a week. Y'all see it got 2 rows growing, got a new head growing, got a head within the head growing. So we'll check back. Y'all subscribe, like, and we'll keep you posted.